Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook chanterelle mushrooms. First, gently prepare your chanterelles for cooking. Carefully brush off any loose dirt or debris using a soft brush or a dry paper towel. It is important to avoid washing them under water because these delicate mushrooms tend to absorb moisture easily, which can affect their texture and flavor. If you find any particularly stubborn spots, you can lightly wipe them with a slightly damp cloth before drying them completely. To achieve that perfect golden brown sear, use a large skillet or pan heated over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter or a good quality olive oil, allowing it to shimmer. Place your cleaned chanterelles in a single layer in the hot pan, avoid overcrowding. This critical step ensures they brown beautifully, developing a rich, earthy flavor, rather than just steaming in their own juices. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, until they are nicely caramelized. Seasoning is key, but timing matters. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper during the last minute or two of cooking to prevent the mushrooms from releasing too much moisture prematurely. Consider incorporating aromatics like 1 finely minced shallot or 2 cloves of crushed garlic when the mushrooms are almost done, cooking for just about 1 minute until fragrant. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or thyme at the very end adds a wonderful aromatic finish, bringing out the chanterelle's delicate notes. Your perfectly cooked chanterelles are now ready to be enjoyed. These versatile mushrooms make an exquisite side dish alongside a roasted chicken or a tender steak, adding an elegant touch to any meal. You can also fold them into creamy risottos, hearty pasta dishes, or even a sophisticated scrambled egg breakfast. Remember, for the ultimate experience, serve them immediately while they are warm and their earthy aromas are most potent. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.